Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is open up your browser and come to the address bar right here. Go ahead and type in Canva, hit enter, and it's going to take you right here. Go ahead and click on the first result right here, which is canva.com, and it's going to take you right. Next thing you want to do is to come to the top right here. Go ahead and make sure you click on sign up right here. And then here, log in or sign up in seconds. Use your email or another service to continue with Canva, and it is free. So which simply means that you can either continue with Google or continue with Facebook or continue with any other email address or continue with another way. In this tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and hit on continue with Google. Then go ahead and select your Google account. Then go ahead and click on continue. It's going to take you right here. Let us create a Canva design for you. What you will be using Canva for: personal project, work and business, education, non-profit. So you can choose any of the options that is described here right here. So I'm going to choose personal project right here. So here you go. Before you start, let us talk AI. So improve our AI tool for everyone with your content. Go ahead and click on Got It New. And you are here in your Canva workspace right here. There are a lot of templates you can use right here. You can click on create. You can come to the home tab, project, template, scroll down and then see different stuff right here. You can use generative AI. And you can click on more right here, which allow you to see more to apps, grow, content planner, design tool, etc. You have some of the ready-made templates in your Canva workspace right here. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use Canva on PC, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.